Hello everyone, I am Tanya Bajaj, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutics at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. I am here to discuss about the identification test practical with the given sample of aspirin for DPharm first year students. For that, we should initially know what actually aspirin is. Chemically, aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid, which could also be named as 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid. Then moving on to its description, its color is it occurs as colorless crystals or as a white crystalline powder. Then its odor, it is odorless or nearly odorless. Its taste is slightly acidic. Then its solubility, it is slightly soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, and soluble in chloroform and ether. Aspirin may be recognized from its melting point. It melts at about 142 degrees Celsius. That means to perform its identification test, we need to check at the end the melting point of the substance at the complete end while we would be at the end of the reaction. The other identification tests are based on its alkaline hydrolysis, forming the salt of acetic and salicylic acids. After appropriate processing, the separated salicylic acid is tested for its colored reaction with ferric chloride. The filtrate containing acetic acid is treated with alcohol and sulfuric acid, leading to the formation of ethyl acetate, the odor of which is precipitable. Now let's see how this identification test of aspirin we need to perform. What is its procedure? The first step is to boil about 0.5 gram of the solution or of the compound with 10 ml of sodium hydroxide solution for at least 3 minutes. Cool it and add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. A white crystalline precipitate will be produced and the odor of acetic acid would be recognized, which would be precipitable. Filter it, dissolve the precipitate in water and to the solution add ferric chloride test solution. A deep violet color will be produced. Boil about 0.5 gram of the same substance with 10 ml of sodium hydroxide for a few minutes. Cool and add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Till here it is similar to 0.1. A white precipitate is formed and the odors of acetic acid are precipitable. We already know that. Filter and to the filtrate add 3 ml of sulfuric acid and vomit. The odor of ethyl acetate, which is precipitable, again will be observed. Then at the end, as I already told, you need to determine the melting point of the substance, which would be at around 142 degrees Celsius, which could be either near or far to the value of 142 degrees Celsius. So for checking this melting point and to perform the other two procedures, we need to move to the lab. Let's now perform this practical and check the melting point.
Now let's start performing the identification test of aspirin. For performing the test, we require hot plate. We require the chemicals as ferric chloride solution. We require sodium hydroxide solution and we require dilute sulfuric acid. The apparatus required are, we need filtration assembly for performing the process of filtration. We require beakers. We require a measuring cylinder. Firstly, take 0.5 gram of aspirin sample in a beaker, which we have already weighed. Now, to this aspirin sample, add 10 ml of sodium hydroxide solution. Now, after mixing the both, keep this solution for boiling for 3 minutes. Now, after boiling the solution for 3 minutes, remove it from the hot plate and keep it for cooling at room temperature. After cooling the solution, add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Here white crystalline precipitates are formed which have the odor of acetic acid. Now we are heading towards filtration of this solution. Filter the precipitates using the filtration assembly. Here we have collected the precipitates in the beaker. Dissolve these precipitates in water. To the solution, now add few drops of ferric chloride solution. Here, a deep violet color is produced which indicates the presence of aspirin in the sample. So, this deep violet color indicates the presence of aspirin in the sample. For performing the second test, repeat the procedure performed in the first test till the filtration step. Now, to the filtrate, add 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Warm this solution on a hot plate now. Now, after warming this solution for a few seconds, you can feel the odor of ethyl acetate which indicates the presence of aspirin. Now the third test after this is the determination of melting point of aspirin which can be checked through melting point apparatus which comes at around 142 degrees Celsius. These are the identification tests of aspirin. Thank you.